Hello, history and food lovers! Welcome back to Hungry for History. I'm Dr. Luli Clark. Today we are going to show you how to make soda water at home. Do you think drinking carbonated soda water is new? As a matter of fact, drinking carbonated water has been in vogue since the 1700s, when the European scientists tried to replicate water springs naturally charged with carbon dioxide. So much for the history part today. If you are curious about the history of soda water in the US, we have a series coming out soon. Recipes used in today's videos are adapted from a book called The Standard Menu of Soda and Other Beverages, published in 1897. This menu has hundreds of soda syrup and soda drinks recipes. If you are interested in learning more, you can find the link to the book in the description box below. Enough for the intro, let's get it started! Traditional soda recipes require 4 basic ingredients: carbonated water, soda foam, fruit acid or citric acid syrup. As for the water, you can use unflavored and unsweetened club soda or sparkling water, or you can make carbonated water at home by using a soda machine like this. As for soda foam is a liquid to be added to syrup. When mixed with carbonated water, it can help to produce a nice creamy foam and soda that will last. Common ingredients to make soda foam are gelatin, egg whites, and quillaja, which also called soda bark. Citric acid is added for a tangy and sharp flavor. It is also used in syrup made of fruit juice to bring out the flavor of the fruit. You can find citric acid at local grocery stores, and we will find out later what the difference is with and without citric acid. Let's start with making syrup. We are making 2 fruit flavor syrup. One is blackberry and another one is blueberry. Summer in the Willamette Valley region of Oregon is ripe with berries. You can find tons of wild blackberry here in parks and along the roads. They grow and spread so rapidly that they are actually considered a weed by Oregonians. But I personally love them. Who don't love berries, right? We have 2 blueberry bushes in our backyard. They are overloaded with berries now. Let's go and get some berries. I'm back at the kitchen. Let's start with the blueberry syrup. To make 1 cup blueberry syrup, you need 2 cups fresh or frozen blueberries, half cup cane sugar or sweetener of your choice, and half cup water, and 2 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice. In a medium saucepan, combine the blueberries, sugar, lemon juice, and water together, and mix them thoroughly. Bring the mixture to a boil over a medium heat. Then turn the heat to low. Let it simmer for about 15 minutes. While it's simmering, you can use a spatula to mash out some berries to let the juice come out easier. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat. The liquid becomes thicker and the berries are all soft. Most of them are mashed. Place a fine mesh strainer over a bowl and pour the berry mixture into it. And then use a spatula or spoon to mash the mixture to squeeze out as much juice as possible. As you can tell, we squeeze out most of the juice here. I won't throw away the mash. and actually I will use it later as ice cream or pancake topping. It will taste really good. Let the syrup cool to room temperature before chill in the fridge. You can store the syrup in a mason jar in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Next, we are going to make blackberry syrup. To make 1 cup blackberry syrup, you need 3 cups fresh or frozen blackberries, half cup cane sugar, and half cup water, and 1 teaspoon dried lavender flower. Then we are going to repeat the same steps we took to make the blueberry syrup. In a saucepan, add 3 cups fresh blackberry, and then spread the sugar over the berry. We add some lavender, and lastly half cup water. Mix them thoroughly together. Next, we need to heat up the berry mixture. Bring it to a boil and then turn to low heat. Let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Stir frequently in case the syrup gets burned. Turn off the heat when the liquid becomes thicker, and it's time to pour it out. Now put the berry mixture into the strainer. It's still pretty hot. Be careful. And use a spatula to squeeze out as much liquid as you can. We are not going to use the smash of blackberry as topping this time because wild blackberries has tons of seeds in them. It's gonna be very unpleasant to use it as a topping. You don't want it to munch on seeds. We got most of the juice out. We're just gonna discard the mash. Let the syrup cool to room temperature before you chill in the fridge. Thank you for watching the first part of making soda water at home. I hope you have enjoyed it. In this video, I showed how to make blackberry and blueberry syrup at home. In the second part, you will see how I use the syrups to make fizzy soda water. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you find my videos interesting and helpful. See you soon!